Hey guys, what is going on? My name is Michael, and in this video I will give you the truth about passive income on the internet. Alright, so as I said, we want to be talking about passive income, the truth about passive income. That's what we want to be talking about in this video. And first of all, I want to start off by saying passive income or generating passive income is actually a privilege, right? It is actually something like, I think the whole idea of when people say, I want to make passive income online, and that's like the first thing they think about before they ever start anything on the internet, before they ever start an online business or something like this, they're already on the wrong track anyways, because passive income, in my opinion, and I'm not talking about investments here, I'm not talking about any cryptocurrency, I'm not talking about any real estate or any stock stuff, okay? I'm talking about what most people consider passive income on the internet is kind of like an online business that works for them, right? And does all the work for them, and they just get the profits, right? Starting out and saying you want to create passive income and that's why you start an online business is the complete wrong way to do it, because passive income is something that you get after working for a specific amount of time on something, and then you just reap the benefits out of it. For example, right, I got a business, an online business, and most of the money that we're currently making, in a way, is for me passive income, right? Because I got traffic, I'm getting traffic to my sites, we're making money, creating revenue and stuff. And the most of the time that I'm working right now, it's either managing my staff, managing the people that work for me, telling them what to do. Then there's a lot of creating content and stuff. And there's a lot of just negotiating, making deals and things like this, okay? And over time, the things that I'm doing as a CEO changed, because in the beginning, it was just me. I was working alone, I was grinding, I was hustling, so I had to do all the dirty work and stuff, right? So there was no passive income like at all. I had to build my own sites. By the way, other people do that for me right now too. Building my own landing pages. Sometimes I still do it myself because I just like to take control over that. Building my own landing pages, doing creating my own sites, creating my own offers, doing every single thing myself, writing my own blog posts, and all of this kind of stuff, right? I had to do everything on my own. So there was no passive income at all. I did something, I waited for someone to buy the things, and that's how I made my money, right? So as I already said, most of the time right now, when someone buys something from us, whether it is a software or a course or a service or something, this is all automated already. So I'm still working a shit ton. I'm working harder than ever, but it's mostly for stuff that's going to be profitable in the future, right? So all the money that's created right now is passive, but it's more like I don't really have to do anything for it right now, so I'm focused on other stuff. But what I'm trying to say with all of this stuff is, and we all know the famous book by Tim Ferriss, The 4-Hour Workweek, which is also kind of going into this passive income direction kind of thing, because 4 hours working on a business a week is basically like passive income 100%, because 4 hours a week is literally nothing, right? So what you have to understand is, though, that Tim Ferriss himself spent 16 hours every single day promoting his book that's all about how to only work 4 hours a week. So that's what you have to put that into perspective and actually think about it, okay? So what is, for example, in this book, what he's talking about is that you should create an online business and stuff, and then outsource everything with VAs from different countries and stuff, virtual assistants, and do it that way. And that works perfectly fine. But also the number one condition for that is that you first start your business. And there's no way that a beginner can start an online business and immediately outsource stuff, because you're going to get scammed. they're gonna do all the wrong shit. It only works if you know exactly what to do. So for example, if I was to start a new online business right now, I would, in my case, it would work. Like I would simply set up the business, put some money in it, and tell all of these guys, like these virtual assistants and stuff, what to do, because I already know how it works. If it's a similar business to what I'm already doing, even if it's a new business in a different niche or something, I wouldn't know how to do it, you know? So I would still have to get into the whole grind thing and really grind it out in the first few months or years of the business, right? So it's never that easy. You can't just go out there and create a business and get passive income after a few weeks or a few months, right? So normally once you get your business going and once you created a good amounts of revenue that comes in all the time, then you can think about outsourcing that stuff and make the business work for itself basically, and just check every now and then and just get the profits, right? So, but all in all, it's a really hard thing to do, and it should never be your first priority to get into the business with to make passive income, you know? So if your idea is, or if you're looking at this whole online thing as a way to get passive income, then that's a problem. So the whole purpose of the video that I'm making right here should be that you should see it in a way that you should start this thing because it's your passion and it's because it's something that you actually want to do. And the whole passive income thing, it does exist, but it should only be seen as something that you get extra on top of how awesome an online business already is anyways. Even if you have to work 12 hours a day, it's still awesome. But if you get passive income on top of it, then that's even better. Okay, that's how you should see it, right? So yeah, that's basically it for this video right here. Be sure to click the link in the description to see the playlist for the whole 30-day video challenge, so you can also see my conditions and stuff for the giveaway and how to win all the prizes, like the Tube Millionaire course, Instaglory course, video marketing agency course, and a lifetime access version to Video Sniper Pro. Be sure to check this out, and also subscribe to my channel right here, like the video, and see you in the next one.